Are you guys tired of having your wrist hurt, your arms hurt at the end of the night after typing on hard surfaces like this? Well, rest assured that's going to go away with the new Razer Ergonomic Wrist Rest Pro with cool infused gel and an actual anti-slip rubber feet. This bad boy is made by Razer, and you know I love my Razer products. So apparently you can actually put this down right above your keyboard, set your wrist on there, and you'll be pain free. And also it's going to cool your wrist. Now I'm going to put this to the test and give you my honest review and let you know if this really works. This cost me about $35 or so. You can get a cheaper version that doesn't have the cooling gel on the inside, but I would recommend the cooling gel. So let's go ahead and unbox this damn thing and see if it really works. And if it does, and you want to buy it, links in the description. And you know what? I'm not getting paid for this, so who cares? You guys, stay tuned. Alright, so let's get this thing unboxed. I'm just going to grab my knife here and cut along the seam. Sorry for the audio change. I actually wasn't recording my audio at the time, so I have to do a voiceover here. So I'm just checking out the box here. Just want to show you guys one more time what this thing has in it, which is a cooling gel infused cushion, an anti-slip rubber feet, and it's compatible with all keyboards. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this thing and look at what we have here. A couple stickers, really cool. I really like the Razer design and I love their stickers, so it's a really nice touch. Let's go ahead and get this thing open and then I'll show you the bottom of it. Now it does keep it from slipping. There are little rubber stickies here with a little bit of grip, so these are fine. I do wish they kind of went the entire length of the wrist pad. It would probably keep it in place even better, but it really doesn't move anyway, so we're all good. Alright, and this thing is cool to the touch. I do wish it probably had some lights on it. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, you do feel the coolness to the touch. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it to the test. I'm just going to set it above my keyboard here and we'll go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and placed it right above my keyboard here. Move that hard drive out of the way there. And it feels good. You actually do feel that cool infused gel that they claim to have. It's not crazy. It's not like there's icicles in this thing or anything. But it does feel a little cool to the touch. Almost like a pillow that has the same type of gel. And it's kind of raised on an incline here. So it actually, you do feel it. I rest my hands against this wood all the time. Sometimes like this, sometimes like this. And I am starting to feel it at nighttime, all jokes aside. So I can actually put this thing here. If I just want to lean against it, or I can move it up here. This is probably where I'm going to keep it most, so I can just type comfortably. And also, I can move it over here for my mouse. Actually, I wish it was a little longer to extend all the way to my mouse. That would actually be great, but this is fine, as I do type a lot. I'm always on my computer. So, yeah, so far so good. This product, I would give it about, let's say, let's go 8 out of 10. That's going to be my rating for this thing, just because I had the cool infused gel. Without that, I'd give it a 7. But you do feel it. This is definitely going to work. It's a pad. That's all you need. It's just some kind of pad to press, to keep your arms from pressing against the wood. It gives you a little incline, which is good. It allows you to type a little bit more freely. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and end that video here. Please, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. And see you in the next video. There'll be a lot more coming soon. Get ready. Now I got to get back to work.